Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick lesson today that is going to show you how to save your 3D printed project, which is your prototype, your product design, and we have to get it into the proper file format to allow it to be imported into our 3D slicing software to be able to proficiently set this up for 3D printing in one of our 3D printers used in the classroom. So as you can see here, I have a soap dish here that I'm going to be getting ready for 3D printing. Looks great. I'm going to be going up to File and going to Save As and then moving my mouse up to Save Copy As. And from this list, I want to make sure that I've selected STL. Right? This is going to default to an Autodesk Inventor part, which is .ipt. You're going to be submitting that IPT file to the assignment folder Dropbox, but you also must create an STL. So you're going to come down and find STL, select it, and then before you do anything else, hit Options. And make sure that the units here are set to millimeter, which in this case they already are. So if it's any other units, just set them to millimeter and then hit OK. And then I can save this onto my computer. So I'm actually going to change the destination from downloads. I'm going to select my desktop as the destination, and I'm going to hit save. And that is it. So I've got my STL file. Here it is right here. So you need to submit both files, the IPT file and the STL file, to the assignment folder Dropbox. And that's all you need to do, and I will take over from here. Thank you very much, and have a great day.